So if there's water left in the washing machine and it won't drain, there's two problems it could be. Right there is your pump. Your pump could be dead, so you have to check if there's power going to it. Also, another problem could be these two hoses. One of them's clogged, or there's a flap in this one so that water can't come back in your washing machine. That flap might be stuck or broken, or kind of, if this has a plug in it, that one's not opening enough, and then it backs up. So be careful when you take off these clamps. There's going to be a lot of water there. Now, to make it easy, the front of the washing machine comes off. I made the mistake of taking the top off, and so how to do it is 2 screws, 1, 2, and then you have to just take a screwdriver, shove it in here, pull it down, and it sits in these little grooves here, and it'll sit here. You push it down, it'll drop down, and you just pull it out. Easy peasy.